Hello everybody, I'm excited. Today is the first day I'm going to be launching my first YouTube project. It's called 100 Days of the Mental Toughness Challenge. Every day for the next 100 days, I'm going to give you one new mental toughness tip that you could apply to your physical training or your life. I personally believe mental toughness is a skill that if you hone in on, you can get better at it. But you have to work at it. You don't want to just work on these skills one time and forget about it. You need to practice these skills over and over again. Now, could you imagine if you just did a couple of these skills? You will get great in your life. But if you did all 100 of these skills all together, I have no doubt that you'll get mentally stronger in your life. So, if you want to get mentally stronger, check out my website. I'm going to be having new videos every day. We'll see you tomorrow.